I am pleased to welcome all of you in Riga.
If the world is evolving at internet speed, public policy has to at least accelerate. The need for speed is one thing we must definitely bear in mind. The second, I would argue, is the need for innovation and reform. The big secret to success in innovation is for us both to embrace the new and to see how it can fit with our roots. So I would say after speed, a sense of optimistic innovation is the second challenge. The third is to put together the pieces of a puzzle where every European can win in a better digital world. In a new age, new skills are needed. What we lack still is that every region, every city, every school, every university knows they have to be part of meeting that challenge. So skills is a must.
The digital single market needs to be enabled by unconstrained connectivity for everyone and everything, everywhere. This is true for each and every citizen. It's also true for industry, for businesses, whatever their size, for schools, research and innovation centers, for public services across our European continent.